Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to replace the audio in a particular video with another audio file, or you can say we can replace the original audio with another audio file inside FFmpeg library on command line. And after that we will convert that into an online tool with the help of Node.js and Express. So I have given this command in the video description of FFmpeg, which lets you do this process automatically on the command line. So these two commands are there. Simply you can go to the video description link and copy both these commands. I will explain you each command what it is doing and how to execute this on command line. Before that, you need to be having FFmpeg installed on your machine. So just search on FFmpeg. This is the open source library. So this is their official website. So there is a download option. Simply click this download option, select your operating system and download it. So after downloading it, just to check if it is installed, go to command line, type this command ffmpeg, and if it works, then you have successfully installed ffmpeg on the machine. So now to replace the audio track in a video, I will show you an example. This is my video here, output.mp4 video. Let me play this video and you let me just turn on the audio. Just hear this audio here. Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building this coronavirus. What we can do is that so you can see that guys, this is a 7-minute video of my, and you can hear the audio as well. Now I will be replacing this original audio with another video audio. Let me play this video file for you. This is just 15 minutes long. Let me play this. This is the audio from the other video. This is the audio from other video. This is the audio from other video. So you can see that this is the other video which has the other audio embedded inside it. So now we need to first of all extract the audio from this video file. So I can use a simple tool that I made on my website freemediatools.com. You can also use this tool. This is a very handy tool. So there is a tool out there, remove audio from video. Simply go to this tool, select your video file, whichever video file that you want to remove. This I have choose this mkv file, click download. I think it has removed the audio, but it hasn't saved it. So I think let me search it if the tool is there. Extract audio. I think it is not. I think it is present here. Video to MP3. This is the tool. So here you need to select your video file and this will convert to a MP3. It will extract the only the audio. So it will upload the video. And now our video audio is ready. So if I play this, you will see this is the audio from the other video. This is the audio from other video. So now our MP3 file is ready. This is the audio file. Let me just cut this and paste it inside the videos folder. Let me rename this to audio.mp3. So this is the original video file. We need to embed this or replace this with this inside this video file with the help of FFmpeg. So right click, just open command line here, and the first command that I have given in the video description, simply copy this command here, simply paste it, and here you need to replace your input file path here. So if you are on the same folder, I am in the same folder. So my input file name is output.mp4. And then I need to provide the path of the audio file, which is also in the same path, which is audio.mp3. And this you need to see, guys, we are saying that dash c dash copy. And then after this, you need to be having space. So we are not re-encoding the audio and the videos. So if you want to re-encode the audio and the video, this will take a lot of time and this is not useful. So we are providing dash C and copy. So this means that we are not re-encoding the audio and the video. This significantly reduces the time in the conversion and the time taken in order to do the task is very ultra fast. And after that, this is a map filter. It is just placing the audio, replacing with the old audio track. And after that, we have the output file name, which is new.mp4. Simply execute this command, and now you will see instantly the command finishes. That's it. And now if you check your newly created video file, which was, I think we have named it. If you check the name, we have given new.mp4. This is a file here. If I play this, this is the audio from the other video. This is the audio from other video. This is the audio from other video. This is the audio from other video. You can see that, guys, it has successfully replaced the audio from other. But the thing is that it is not looping through. And once the audio finishes for the very first time, if the video is larger than the audio, then it doesn't loop. So this is some kind of problem here. Some in those situations when the video is larger, you need to be looping through your audio. So in that scenario, I have given the second command which will be handy in that scenario in order to loop the audio if the video is larger. Simply copy this command now and simply now paste it again here. Simply paste it. So basically here we are using the shortest filter of FFmpeg. So here we need to again provide the path here, which was output.mp4, and this is our audio file, which was just provide the path of audio file, which is audio.mp3, and then lastly we will change the output file name to loop video.mp4. That's it. So basically it will loop the audio if the video is larger. Let me just execute this command, and now it is done here. You will see it has created a new video. Let me play it. Play it. This is the audio from the other video. This is the audio from the other. This is the other video. So now you can see the concept, guys. It is looping through the audio. The video is larger. So again, if the audio finishes, then it again loops through from the start of the time of the audio. So this is the two scenarios. This is the two commands I have shown you. Either of the command you can use in any scenario here. If the video is larger, you can use the second command. If the video is short, you can use the first command. It doesn't really matter. You can use any of the two commands I have given in the video description link. Now we will change this into an automatic tool that we can deploy it on my website so that you guys can use this tool on my website. Simply go to freemediatools.com and go to that tool and simply upload your video file and upload the audio track, and it will instantly replace the original audio track. So let me do that process for you. Let me go to desktop directory and go to projects, and here we will create a new directory here, replace audio, cd into replace audio, and we will open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor, and first of all we will initialize package.json. Then we need to install Express Malta Uh, that's it. I think these are the two dependencies that we want. Malter will help us to upload video files inside our Express server. Simply now make index.js, and here we need to make our public folder public, and inside this we will make another uploads folder. So inside our index.js we need to require express express app.listen, and we will be listening on port 3000. We will say app is listening on port 3000, and when we open the home page we will send user to a static page where the user can upload the file respond.send file. And now we can create this file in the root directory index.html, and here we can have a simple form element, and we will not be styling it, just method will be post, encoding type will be multi-part form data. Inside this we will have a simple label. We will say that upload video file, then we will have input type of file. We will say name is equal to video, and once again we will say another label. This file will be for the audio file, upload audio file, input type file, name will be audio, and we will give another attribute except this. For we will only be accepting audio files. For this we will only be accepting video files. So video slash star, that's it. So both of these files needs to be required here. So validation part, user must upload both of these files before proceeding on. That's it. Lastly, we will have a simple button. We will say download video. Button will be type of submit. That's it. So I think our form is ready. Now we can launch this application. Simply say node index.js. So app is listening on 3000. If I open this app, so we can see we have the choose file button, video, audio, and simply download video. And we also need to provide the action attribute. So whenever this form submits, it will go to this post request, which will convert post request. So now we need to simply make this post request app.post, and we also need to have the Malta dependency. So for Malta dependency, we have the to write the static code. So if you see here, Malta extension, how to store a file, simply you will see this example code. Simply paste it. So here we are storing it inside our public slash uploads folder. We also need to make this directory as static. So we need to have express dot I think in order to make a static directory, static function, and here we need to pass our path dependency also. So we will join it, use the join method. Public/uploads. We also need the body parser middleware. App.use body parser dot extended to false and body parser JSON. That's it. So write these two lines. This is very much important. So now we have successfully binded this upload functionality. We are passing the storage to storage. And now we can simply make that pass through a middleware which will be upload. So for this, in this example, we need to upload the video and the audio file both at the very same time. So this will be a little tricky because in Malta, if you need to upload a single file, then we have a simple method here which will be dot single. So dot single. And here we need to provide the name attribute which we have given to the video. This is video here, so we will pass video. So I will change the name to upload video here. So this is the first middleware function, and the second will be through upload the audio file. So here we will say upload audio. Again, we will have the instance storage will be storage, and this will be again single. This will be for audio. We have given the name attribute audio. So here, first of all, we will upload video file. So we will say upload video, and this contains request response and error also if any sort of error take place. We can say console log error take place, and in the else scenario we can say video uploaded. The path, we can print out the path like this request.file.path. If that is successful, then we can say in the else block, once again we will say upload audio and request response and error. And here again, once again we will check if any sort of error take place. We can say console log error take place. If no error take place in the else block, we can say console log audio uploaded. Then we can print the path like this request.file.path. That's it. I think we can also change this request parameters, request video and request audio, just to make distinction here with the video and audio. That's it. Just to remove the confusion. That's it. And now we can upload it. So it is saying root path required. It is saying where is let me see what is the problem here. 40th line. Let me refresh the application. Index.js 11th line. Let me see 11th line. What is the problem? Oh, sorry. Let me remove this. That was a problem. Now, once again, it is listening on 3000. If I refresh it, now, first of all, let me choose this is my input video file. Let me select my audio file, audio.mp3, click, and now let me see. It is saying request video is not defined. Oh, sorry. I think in the here you can see that. Let me change this. Let me see if it is working or not. So just refresh it once again. It is saying error take place. Mm, let me see. Let me change this to file here, guys. Let me first of all upload the video only. Let me see. We can console log the path like this request.file.path. Slash uploads. Let me see, guys, what is the problem here. I think some kind of problem is there. The error was coming, guys, because we haven't handled this situation properly. In order to upload from multiple form fields, in this case, if you open this application, you will see we are uploading from multiple input fields here. We are uploading a video file from this input field and uploading an audio file from this input field. The thing is that in Modder, we have a simple way in handling this. Simply, I will just copy paste the code here. Simply delete all this code. We don't need this. And once you initialize your upload, let me initialize it by passing storage to storage. We have a simple line to write here, which is upload multiple. And this contains the fields method inside Malter. And here we can provide the name attribute which we have given to the input element. In this case, we have given video and audio. So I will change this to video and audio. The second parameter is that how many maximum amount of files you need to upload. So we can delete this parameter. We need to only upload a single file. And now in this post request, we can call upload multiple, request response, and error. And here you will say if any sort of error take place, console log it. In the else block, we can console log request.files. So this will hold all the files which are uploaded from both the input fields. And now if you refresh it, if you choose your video and audio file, now you will see both the video and audio is uploaded here. You will see first it contains the video file which is uploaded, which is output.mp4. Then it has uploaded audio.mp3. We can also check the directory. You will see all these two files have been successfully uploaded. Now we need to simply carry out the conversion. So for converting it, we simply need to include execute module from require child process, a built-in module of Node.js. You need not have to install it. So basically the use of this module is to execute commands programmatically using Node.js. So in order to get the first file, we can say path here like this. You will see this is the object here. If you let me just see if it is working or not. We are getting this property which is path here like this. Let me print this if it is working or not. Let me. And now you can see it is printing out the whole path here, public slash upload slash this. Simply we can repeat this for audio file as well. So whatever you have given the name attribute, this will create an array. After getting both the paths of both the files, now we can execute the command by using execute method. So we will use backtick symbol to write multiple lines. So here we will have our command here. You can copy paste the command from my blog post. I will copy paste the second command which will actually loop the video. Paste it. At the very top we can have our output file name, which will be date.now for random name, and then we will say output plus, then we can say path.extension name, and we can get the extension of the video file by using that path. So this will return whatever extension name that the user has uploaded, either MP4, MKV, all that stuff. And now we need to pass the video path here. So this will be request.files. So in order to pass dynamically, we can use like this symbol. Here we need to pass our audio path. And lastly, we need to pass our output. So this also contains callback function as well. So if the command is successful or not. So basically, if any sort of error take place in the command, we can console log the error. In the else block, we can say conversion completed. So now we can select the video file, MP4 file, and then select this audio file, click download video. Let me see, line 40, it is saying. Oh, I think the file hasn't been uploaded. Let me move this output variable to this here in the else block. So once the file is uploaded, then only you can access it. So again, repeat this process. And now you can see it has created this output file, guys. Now we simply need to download this output file as an attachment in the browser. So we can just say response.download. So this is the method inside Express in order to download any file as an attachment. So here we need to pass the path which is lies inside output, and then there will be a callback function. We can just say file is downloaded. So this will download it as the attachment in the browser itself.